Hello, this is Raina with LYLO Crafts coming on today as part of hashtag Embellish with Us Wednesdays. And there is an S on the end of that. And this is an open collaboration that is hosted by the amazing Marianne at Marianne's Craft Corner and me, LYLO Crafts. And we would love to invite anybody who would like to participate to share any embellishment that you have been making on one Wednesday or whenever it works out for you. And if you have a newer channel, just know that this is a wonderful way for people to be able to find you and to possibly gain subscribers is by participating in open collaborations. And to do that, all you have to do is enter that hashtag Embellish with Us Wednesdays and share your embellishment. Okay, so today I am sharing two different kinds of embellishments. I am sharing a mixer as well as some eggs, and both of these dies are from Panalisa on AliExpress. The egg die comes with these faces for the actual eggs, and the mixer comes with all these pieces that you can put on here. And I'll put a link to these products in the description below, as well as other amazing Panalisa items that I purchased as well as got as part of their design team. Okay, so let's start with the mixer. So here's my first mixer, and for this mixer, you can see that I put this sentiment that says, that was so sweet of you, with a little bow. I cut it out in white and I inked around all the edges with gold to go with the gold bowl on here, as well as adding this sweet little cluster of embellishments. It's on one of those fancy fold rosettes, and I've got Maggie Holmes items in here. So I just thought, oh, the sentiment of being sweet and baking would be fun together. And then I made a second mixer, and this one I cut out of that holographic paper and pink. And so I've got a pink bowl here, and then on the top there is this sweet little paper bow with a tiny little cupcake treat. And then I've made a crepe paper rosette over here, topped it with tulle, and then layered on some fussy cut out of Sweet Story Maggie Holmes paper, and I've got some sweet treats all made out of that darling mixing bowl. Now, whenever you're doing baking, you always need eggs. So let me show you the eggs that I made to go with these. So here are my sweet little eggs. And so the piece comes with the base piece. It comes with a layering in piece. It comes with this piece to top it off. It comes with also the pieces to frame out the eggs. I just stamped faces on because I wanted their faces to be a little bit different. And then I use these sweet little bows. So a left bow, a right bow, and a center bow to accent those sweetie pies. And so these are my 3 embellishments for this week's Embellish with Us Wednesdays. I hope you like them, and I can't wait to see your embellishments too. I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.